If you're sitting bored in your cab all day and you need something to get you through your day, check out Sweat and Grime on any of your podcasting platforms. We geared it to be entertaining and focused on the trades. We're not trying to teach you anything. We're not trying to get you to have a phenomenal working business. We just want you to have a good time. So check us out, Sweat and Grime, on any of your podcasting platforms. We appreciate it. Now, here's your video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty. It's about customer service. It's about how you can go out and not only provide better customer service to your customers, but you can also win more jobs because you aren't just thinking inside the box. So what we have right here is we have a pressurized septic system that's going to go in that we're out here to bid. And we have very specific paperwork on where this field is supposed to go based on the perk tests that have already been done. And what that's designating is this field needs to go down here, basically situated on the hill to my right. The problem is, as you may be able to see, there's a lot of elevation change over here, which means if we put that field exactly where it's supposed to go, the customer is going to be paying for a lot of material. We're going to be paying a lot of trucking costs. It's going to be a significantly more expensive field than if we shuffle a little bit. And that's where you have to think outside the box as a contractor. If you don't have to put the field there, if we could maybe do a perk test over here, and we've already walked around here, we know it's going to perk pretty much the same as it is 30 to 40 feet away. Look at how flat it is up here. So what if we're able to charge the customer another $300 or $400 for another perk test, but at the same time it's going to save them $4,500 in material and costs? Well, that's a net positive event. And now all of a sudden we're coming in $3,500 or so cheaper than the next lowest contractor. Well, we're gonna get the job and we're gonna look like a hero to the customer. So the big point of this video is when you go out on a job, don't just look at the proposed job. Look at the bigger picture. Start thinking about how you can come out and you can do a better job and maybe be a little creative. And sometimes it may take another little cost to the customer that's ultimately going to save them money. But you don't come to the customer and say, hey, I need you to cough up $400 for a perk test. You come to the customer and say, look, we've got an idea here. For about $400 we can do another perk test, but I think overall, and we're not going to propose this until we do all our math, I think overall we can save you about $5,000 if we do it this way and everything works out. Would you guys want to take the gamble and do another perk test here and potentially save all that money? And that's something that also, if you're comfortable with it and you've got the margins built in, maybe you offer to cover that. If it comes back and you were wrong, you know what? We'll eat the $400. Your customer sees it as you eating $400. We all know that mobilization and fuel for us to come out here and pop a hole in the ground is not going to cost us $400. But you look like a hero to your customer because you decided to take the risk. So that's all I've got for today. I hope it helps you in your business, and we'll catch you on the next one.